Well, moving on, the National Transport and Safety Authority has today launched a road safety campaign aimed at reducing road fatalities and accidents related to drunk driving. The campaign, that ropes in other stakeholders in the transport as well as hospitality industry, seeks to promote the use of alternative means to get home rather than driving under the influence. The NTSA has also announced a form of amnesty for drunk drivers who will be forced to take a taxi when caught rather than being arrested. This comes as the December holidays approach, a time when road accidents related to drunk driving tend to be on the increase.
Say that, how many times we feel that when we are actually drinking, we are making sure that we should not drive? That's a question for everyone. And we as a little, we understand this is one of the things which we have to entangle ourselves every time now and then. And that's why we are happy to announce that we are very much feel proud about this partnership here with NTSA for the noble cause. We are definitely want to spread this message through our drivers. We definitely want to tell our customer, don't drink, don't drive. If you want to drink, you do not drive. Better you take the little cab or other providers.
Doing that right, we have partnership with law enforcement. We have a law enforcement response team, and we also have an incidents response team that is there to be able to help the driver or the rider throughout the trip. Recently, we also were able to launch a feature called Real-Time ID that allows driver partners to be able to take a photo before they log on to the app. This is just to ensure that we have the right people behind the wheel.
I would like to request NTSA to provide statistics or commission a research to determine the extent to which irresponsible drinking has contributed to road accidents. Why? Because we feel this will guide us to come up with specific and well-targeted interventions to help improve the road safety on our roads.
We are refining our data, and actually we are moving in the right direction. And I think that's one of the areas that we'll be focusing even into the future, to try and work with other agencies like hospitals and the police, for that matter, to try and see what is the percentage, what is the contribution of drink driving on these fatal road accidents. So, ladies and gentlemen, as NTSA, we will continue to partner with all the people who are involved. And it's not just actually the issue of drivers that is a challenge. You find even in the recent past, the border riders, quite a number of them have been arrested.
Indeed, something that, of course, is expected to improve safety, but it makes